Dobro Jutro, Divine Pisces 222. I'm going to do our daily message from Spirit for today, Tuesday, August 18th, 2020. I know I've been mentioning a lot about the timelines. I think it's really something to look into, guys. If you've been experiencing, shifts, in like reality, maybe deja vu, a lot of deja vu, things like that. I feel like a lot of people are experiencing that right now. I feel like also a lot of people at this point, a lot of those who are going through actual true awakenings, they are just seeing it's like BS everywhere, right? Most of us are like really critical or really suspicious of what we actually see, understanding that it may not in fact be truth. So a lot of us are calling out crap, literally, as we see it. I just feel like a lot of us are kind of just rolling our eyes a lot right now. I know I am. Like, I feel like I'm just constantly rolling my eyes. Like, some of the stuff that I see and the things that people say, and I'm just sitting here going, you just don't get it, do you? It's like, you don't get it at all. Like, do you really believe what you see that much? And it's kind of frustrating to those of us who are seeing through the crap. Now, it's kind of funny, too, because I really feel like a lot of us at this point are taking a look at our own lives, too, and, like, looking at the crap that we spew, like, looking at the stuff that we believe or that we had believed in the past, and sit here going, I can't believe I believed that crap. I can't believe I believed all that. I can't believe I bought into that. So some of us, it's like a regret and kind of coming in, going, kind of like how like I was. I know a couple months ago I was talking about how I was beating myself up for keeping myself in an abusive karmic situation for as long as I have, for putting, basically being in that illusion for so long. It's like basically a lot of us are in that energy of beating ourselves up for believing the things that we have believed for so long. You don't need to do that. You don't need to do that, okay? There's no reason to beat yourself up over that sort of thing. Just learn from it, right? But I feel like a lot of us are. I feel like a lot of us are just sitting going, I can't believe I was that stupid at one point. Like, but at the same time, I feel like a lot of us are casting judgment on others. So be very, very careful with that. It's difficult. I know it is. It's very difficult because you're sitting here going, I know the truth. Why can't I make somebody else see it? Why are they so stupid? Why are they so dumb? I understand that. These are the thoughts that go through my head sometimes. And I have to stop myself and be like, okay. I'm an ego. I don't have the right to judge someone else. That is not my place. That is source, karma, God, whatever. That is their place, not mine. Okay. So you just need to remember that. Okay. Forgiveness is definitely, I say, in the prescription right now to remember forgiveness, even for those who choose to stay in their ignorance. Okay. Remember what we're taught, ignorance is bliss, right? Well, some people, that's true to them. They want to stay in ignorance because they're happy there. They feel safe there. So you have to take into account, that it's their choice, not yours. I'm going to take that one. That one was upside down in the deck. Interesting. So you have to take into account, yes, that it's their choice, not yours. Okay, what they do. And that you can't judge somebody for their choice. The only thing you can control is you. Okay, so be very, very careful. It's one thing to call somebody out on their shit and they may not be ready to receive it, whatever, but it's another thing to judge people, okay? So just be very, very careful with that, okay? Because there is karma with that too. There is karma with that when you sit there in judgment of someone, okay? Judgment is coming for you, okay? So understand that. All right, I'm going to pull one more here, and then I'll go ahead and do the reading for today. But that's basically what's come out today. I really feel it. Like, we need to impart a lot of forgiveness right now and understanding. Okay. All right, so yeah, restore and replenish. Some of you have been feeling incredibly drained by everything that's been happening too. And that's why this frustration is coming up when you're looking at people and you're going, why are you so dumb? You know, like that's where some of that judgmental stuff is coming in, because you're kind of tired. It's like you're just tired of the bull crap, and you're like, I wish everybody could see what I can see, you know, and that way everybody would just, you know, call it out as they see it, and things would change, right? I get it. I get it. So replenish yourself, guys. Think of yourself for a moment, okay? But we are going through major transformations right now. A lot of us are changing our energy here. Yes, we are leaving the 3D behind in a way. You know, we're leaving the illusions of the 3D in the past. And we're saying, you know what, I'm going to call things out. Yes, I am. I absolutely am. That is my purpose. That is what I'm supposed to do. I'm supposed to step into my mission, and I'm supposed to lead the way energetically. So a lot of us are, be, again, very careful with that. There's a fine line between teaching and being judgmental. Okay, there is a fine line. All right, so just understand that. All right. But yeah, truth, Princess of Swords. So this is what I'm talking about. Like a lot of us cutting through the bull crap. We're just like, you know, we're so sick of seeing this. So sick of this just perpetuation of hate and you know, control and fear and all of this crap that's happening. We just want to cut through it. We just want to show people, look, you are in control of your destiny. You are in control of your life. Don't let anybody tell you through fear tactics, through hatred, through whatever, that your life doesn't matter or that your purpose does not matter. You see? Okay? You are not a sheep. Okay? And we want to tell people that. We want to show people that. But there are going to be people out there who they're not really ready to receive it, number one. And number two, it's not their purpose in this lifetime to see it. Okay? So just understand, assurance. This is really important. You know, bringing up the faith factor again. Change is coming. Change is coming. Okay? Is what I've been saying for a while. There is a shift coming, and some people are going to be left behind. They just are. There's going to be, I feel, possibly, I know I've been saying this about spiritual warfare, definitely a thing, but I feel a civil war coming. Not just with one particular country. I feel there's going to be the light and there's going to be the dark. There are going to be the people who want to control, and there are going to be the people who want control of themselves. It's classic, okay? That's been pretty much the theme for the entire world since the beginning of mankind. Okay? Alright, guys. I hope this has helped. If it has, please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.